In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing and collaborating on all sorts of projects, from personal to professional. Sometimes you may want to share your work with others without giving them full access to all your information. That's where adding guests comes in handy. Let's dive into the process. First, you want to ensure you're in the right workspace. Open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you want to add a guest. It's important to understand that guests are added at the page level in Notion, so you'll need to select the specific page you want your guest to access. Once you're in the right spot, look to the top right corner of the page screen here. You'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on that button to open the sharing options. This is where we start the process of inviting other people to collaborate with us. Now that you have the sharing options open, you should see a section that allows you to invite people. In this section, there's a field for you to enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. It's crucial to make sure you type in the correct email to ensure your invitation reaches the right person. After entering the email, you'll see an option to choose the level of access for the guest. Usually, you'll have options like can read, can comment, or can edit. Each of these permissions provides a different level of interaction for the guest with your content. Consider what level of interaction is appropriate based on what the guest needs to do. Once your choices are made, it's time to send the invitation. Go ahead and click on the Invite button. Your guest will receive an email invitation, prompting them to join. They may need to create a Notion account if they don't already have one. This small step helps Notion keep collaborations secure and organized. As you send out your invitation, it's good to communicate with your guest to make sure they're prepared to join your project. A quick note explaining what the page involves or what you might need from them will go a long way. A little bit of context can enhance your collaboration efficiency. And remember, you can manage and change these permissions at any time. If your guest no longer needs access, or if you want to change what they can do, simply click the Share button again and adjust their permissions accordingly. That's the complete process of adding guests to Notion. It's a straightforward way to enhance collaboration while still maintaining control over your workspace. I hope this guide helps you to better utilize Notion's powerful sharing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!